Hey guys, this is Sakib. Welcome to BdThemes widget tutorial. Today we are going to talk about the social link widget. The social link is a simple social media sharing tool developed by the Ultimate Post Kit plugin. Let's see it in action. Just drag and drop the widget in your page. There are only 4 social links by default. You'll see the button setting on top of the options. Clicking on a button box will reveal more options inside. There, you can select any social media among the many on the list. Then comes the custom label and link fields. You can always add more social links by clicking the Add New button. You can also add custom link followed by custom color, custom label and icon. For the social links, you can choose both icon and text or just one of them. You may display the links inline or in a grid style. It's your choice, of course. Grid has up to 6 columns available. On inline, you may use columns and row gaps scroll bars as well as alignment to further customize the link buttons. Also, the buttons can be positioned over the whole display. And using the offset, you may reposition them as you like. Let's change to grid and move on to the Style tab. The button has 5 appearance styles. Each one is unique and awesome. Let's go with the boxed icon style. After that, increase the button size below and change their heights. You may also increase the border size. Let's change the border radius to make the button a little curvy on the edges. You can also customize the font of the button text with the typography option. Lastly, you can pick colors for the links. Either go with the original or use a custom color. For custom color, everything will change at once. That's how you do it with the social link widget. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.